Yes, here am everyone. Welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing, guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, you can see I am here on my terrace and yes, construction work is running on my terrace and there are many sacks, scents of sick are lying here and yes, the rain is drizzling. Okay, and yes, morning time the weather was very hot, very humid weather, but now currently it's very cool weather. The wind is blowing cool. Okay, and yes, you can see the drizzling, it's drizzling. Okay, now I am here on my terrace because of this Dobby. Hey Dobby, Dobby, Shh, Dobby. So generally it comes here for its poops and peeps. So I just want to take dove here because okay, if it do here poops and peeps, so we will manage somehow because it's very congested area. You can see very congested area and it's not good to take outside for poops and peeps for the dog because it is a matter of quarreling if we take our dogs outside for poops and peeps. So what happened, our neighbor does not like dog. Okay, but we like, so we can adjust its poops and peeps somehow. Okay, so you can see the dog and he is getting okay in sense. So it is here for his poops and peeps. Okay, now he's searching for the place for the poops. Okay, now let's talk about something about the English, how to be fluent in English. Okay, so we can fluent in English by practicing. Do practice each and every day. Take any random topic and try to speak out some sentences in English. Try to find some word. Take any word and try to speak out on that particular word. So I am here to give you a demo. So let's take a word like weather. Okay, so if I talk to you and then please make some sentences on the weather. So how can you create some sentences on the weather? So yes, there are many sentences we can say. Okay, weather. So there are many season in weather, like summer season, winter season, and yes, rainy season. So sometimes weather feel very hot and weather feel very cold. Generally in India, so there is running rainy season. Okay, so if I ask you a question, which weather do you like more? So what do you think about the weather? What is your answer? You can say I like summer season, I like winter season, I like rainy season. So it's answer up to you. If I talk about myself, so I like generally winter season. It's good for me because, and if I talk about which season, which weather do you like more worst? So I can say I dislike humid weather. Humid. Rainy season is good, but humid weather, so it's feel irritating. It's feel okay, depressing, irritating, and chipchipahat. Humid. I don't like humid weather. I don't like. But weather, every weather has its speciality. Okay. If a humid weather will not come, then how can our grain will grow? So humid weather is good for the harvesting. Humid weather good for the cereals, wheat and grain and any other cereals. So yeah, humid nature is good. Now let's take another word like sun. Okay, so we can say, if we talk about how to create some sentences on the sun, so we create, okay, sun is like sun is a star and it has its own light, or sun rises from the east. Sun has intense power, sun has intense heat. Okay, but summer season we feel very scorching light from the sun, and but winter season we feel happy because everybody wants sunlight. Okay, so yes, every season, everything has its specialty, everything has its like or dislike, everything has its benefit or disbenefit. Okay, so now let's talk about another word like okay, if we talk about vegetable, so what is the benefit of vegetable? So there are many benefit of vegetable. We can say green vegetable is good for health. Okay, you can see the wattle guards. Okay, green vegetable is good for health. So yes, green vegetable very important for our human health. It gives us many nutritions. If we eat green vegetable each and every day, so our body become healthy day by day, and we feel very light. Okay, we feel very healthy, we feel very light. So green vegetable is good for health, but not excess in summer. Rainy season we avoid to eat green leaves because there are many insects. Eggs are on the green leaves, so that's why in rainy season it is said that green leaves should not eat in a rainy season. But other season green vegetable is good for health. Okay, so you can take any word and try to make some sentences on that word. Don't feel about mistake, try to do conversation with yourself. Okay, if you have no one, don't worry, try to make some sentences in your mind, inside your mind, and try to give some answer in English. Okay, it's very important to create some question related to any word. If talk about, okay, let's give a example of sun. So we can create some question. Okay, what is the sun? So sun is a star. Okay, and let's talk about another where does sun rise? So the sun rises from the east, we can say. So where does sun set? Sun sets from the west. So you can create some question where comes heat from the sun. Okay, so in this way you can create some question in English, you can create some little sentences on English, and with the help of these sentences you can do practice with yourself, talk to yourself, record your practice video, or then evaluate your practice video by yourself. There is no one who can judge you, there is no personality who can mock on of you, there is only you and you can evaluate your process, you can evaluate your process, and then you will find your mistakes. Okay, so do practice each and every day. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like, to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram. Please subscribe the channel. Okay.